Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix YouTube Revanced extended buffering problem, new update. So this is just a very easy tutorial. What you're going to do is to go to your YouTube application, and then if you see this problem occur, then what you're going to do is go to your phone settings. Here, if you're using Android, go to app management, go to app list, and then here you can scroll down and look for YouTube, or you can just simply go to the search icon and then look for the YouTube application. So you can see it right here. You can find it right here. Go to the app list and then look for YouTube application. Now, once you found the YouTube application here, what you're going to do next is to just simply look for the permissions and storage usage. Now, here in YouTube app info, which is this one right here, you have to look for permission. And as you can see here, you have to make sure that you have allowed the storage, phone, camera, microphone, and so on. So after that, after you have allowed the permission, go to storage usage and then tap clear cache. You could also tap clear data, but this time let me just tap this clear cache right here. And then once you're done with the permission and storage usage, now you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube or YouTube Vans. So go to the search icon of your Play Store or App Store and then look for YouTube. And then you should see this open right here. If you see an update button, what you're going to do is to click update to make sure that you're using the latest version of the application to avoid any problems. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.